Hello everyone. You might have seen all your WhatsApp and Telegram groups spammed with this letter. Many are claiming it fake, many are claiming it true. But as I've inquired with the reliable sources, in all probability, this letter seems to be true. And it is about the postponement of NEET PG 2022. This letter is written by the Directorate General of Health Services to the National Board of Examination, which basically conducts our NEET PG examinations. So, the subject of the letter reads as postponement of NEET PG 2022. So, it reads that, Dear Sir, Ma'am, I am directed to say that a lot of representations were being received from the medical doctors regarding requests to delay NEET PG 2022 examinations. So, this exam was originally scheduled to be held on March 12 of this year. Okay. But because there is a clash in between NEET PG 2021 counseling dates and with the dates of NEET PG 2022, the government is requesting NBE to postpone this NEET PG 2022 exam. So this is the first reason. Second reason, which is being quoted, is that many of the interns would not be able to participate in the PG Counseling 2022 by the month of May or June 2022. So, interns who are currently working in the wards, they might not be able to participate in the NEET PG 2022 counseling, which in all probability might happen around the month of May or June. So, considering both these facts, the government has directed NBE to postpone the NEET PG examination at least by 6 to 8 weeks, or whichever time duration is found suitable by the NBE. So, I have inquired to many of my sources, trustworthy sources, and in all probability, this seems to be true. And this has both good and bad things. For someone who has already given NEET PG 2021 with their best efforts and couldn't get their seat of their choice, but they are planning for this NEET PG 2022 to give a better shot, that might be a very bad news for them. Whereas a majority of the people who think that their level of preparation is not up to the mark, it's definitely a boon to them. They have extra 2 months solidly in hand where they can do one or two more revisions, which will help them to secure a better rank. So let us use these 2 months to the best of our ability in order to get good ranks and the branch of our choice. So in order to frame few strategies which might be helpful. If you think I need to do such a video, you can drop a comment in this video so that I'll do such a video for strategizing the NEET PG 2022 preparations. So all the very best, guys. Don't take the stress on yourself. Just chill. Consider it as a plus point, because worrying about it or like gossiping about it to your friends will not bring any value. Let us focus on the things which is in our control, which is nothing but preparation. Let us prepare again and again. Let us revise again and again and make the best use of this time. Thank you so much.